Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about Cash App Direct Deposit Setup 2025. Step 1. Verify your account. First, you need a verified Cash App setting. That means entering your full legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This required to unlock direct deposit features. Once you have verified, you will have access to a Cash App routing number and account number just like a traditional bank account. Step 2. Find your direct deposit info. To access your direct deposit info, open Cash App, tap the banking tab, that's the dollar icon on the bottom. Then look for the option labeled direct deposit or set up direct deposit. Here you will see your routing number and account number. These are unique to your account and can be used to receive payments from employers, the IRS, or benefits providers. Cash App uses Lincoln Saving Banks or Sutton Bank to handle direct deposits depending on your account. This will be clearly labeled in your app. Step 3. Share your details with your employer or payer. Now take those banking details, the routing and account number, and share them with your employer's payroll department or whoever is sending you funds. Some companies require a direct deposit form. You can get one directly inside from Cash App, and go back to the direct deposit section, tab get direct deposit form, fill in your employer's info, how much of your paycheck you want to deposit, and sign it digitally. You can email or print it right from the app, and that's it. Once your employer or payment provider setting up on their end, funds will start hitting your Cash App account automatically. Step 4. When will you get paid? Cash App offers early direct deposit, which means you can get your paycheck up to 2 days earlier than with traditional banks. This depends on your employer's processing time, but it's a nice bonus feature. You will get a push notification when the money lands and it will appear in your Cash App balance immediately. Step 5. Use your cash. Once the funds are in your account, you can send money to your friends or family, pay bills, spend using cash card, or even transfer the money to a linked bank account. You can also split deposits, send part to Cash App and the rest to a traditional bank. Just ask your employer to divide the deposit across multiple accounts. Extra tips for 2025. Enable notifications so you know as soon as money arrives. Order a free cash card if you haven't already. It works like a debit card anywhere. Visa is also accepted. Turn your deposit alerts. Yeah. Turn your deposit alerts in your settings for added security, and always double check your routing and account numbers before sharing them. And let's do a quick recap of the full video. To summarize, first, verify your Cash App account, get your routing and account number, share it with your employer or benefit provider, use the deposit form if needed, and as for the fifth one, get paid often, faster than traditional banks. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon if you want more videos like this. And take care of yourself. See you in the next video.